Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? In our upcoming courses in the next year, from now on, of Yamamoto New Scalp Acupuncture courses, we'll be going deeper into the understanding of the use of the neck diagnosis and the importance to relax the neck areas and clear all the diagnostic areas in the neck in order to regulate better the autonomic nerve system. And even by doing so, get a better understanding why it is so important to regulate the autonomic nerve system, mainly the parasympathetic nerve system, to go into a more of a healing and better approach to the patients and see how they feel better after the treatment. Not only for short term, but also for a long term outcome. So through this course, we're going to be covering all of the Yamamoto New Scalp Acupuncture points. This is a scalp acupuncture method that was discovered by a Japanese doctor by the name of Dr. Toshikatsu Yamamoto, who discovered a microsystem in the scalp that correlates with all areas of the body and is very, very useful for managing pain. It could be neuropathy, neurological pain, could be rheumatic pain, could be even emotional pain. And at the same time, a very, very useful system that is very, very useful for treating neurological disorders such as Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis disease, neuroskeletal disease, or any other types of neurological disorders that you can even think about. I've been using this method for the last 12 years in a neuro-rehabilitational center, hospital here in Israel, with amazing outcomes with all patients. And we've seen a positive effect on the patients. So through this course, we'll be covering all the acupuncture points and location of Yamamoto YNSA system. At the same time, we'll be covering all the importance of the diagnostic areas and the use of the diagnostic areas that you can really see the approach and regulate the whole human structure, the whole autonomic nerve system, the nerve system, and get very good outcome. And at the same time, we're also going to dive deeper into the understanding how to treat neurological disorders and manage pain better, and how to broaden your experience with this technique. And actually, it's a very, very good base for learning a system which is very, very useful. Your patients will immediately see the effect. And through that, you can even dive deeper for yourself, have a very good, strong basis to dive deeper into how you can get better effects with your patients that are suffering from these disorders. So come join us this year. I promise you a new experience in this course. Even if you've done the course in the past, you might be more interested to join again, because we'll go over importance of the neck diagnosis and how actually the neck diagnosis correlates with the polyvagal theory that was discovered by Stephen Porges in 1995, and how through this use you can also regulate emotional or trauma. So come join us. Have a good day, guys.